Now we come to the concept of resource block. If this is our time axis and this is our frequency axis, so we know that the frequency band that is available in a cell is subdivided into subcarriers. So we will have the subcarriers in this dimension of the frequency. And if we take 12 such subcarriers, then we call them as a resource block. And I need to precise this thing, that in the case of 5G NR, the resource block is only defined in the frequency domain. It is not defined in the time domain. This means that if we take 12 subcarriers, 12 adjacent subcarriers, we will call them as the resource block. The more the resource blocks that are given to a cell, the more will be its data rate under given circumstances. In the case of LT, the resource block was defined in the time domain as well as in the frequency domain. But in the case of 5G NR, the resource block is only defined in the frequency domain, because in the time domain we saw that as the subcarrier spacing is increased, the duration of a time slot is decreasing. So in the case of 5G, resource block is only defined in the frequency domain. Then we come to the resource element. Resource element is basically the smallest resource unit, and it is defined in the time as well as in the frequency domain. This means that if we have one subcarrier for one symbol duration, one OFDM symbol duration, this constitutes one resource element. So one resource element is made of one subcarrier in frequency domain and one OFDM symbol in the time domain.